WordPress is a powerful tool. You can use it to make websites and blogs. It's very popular. Many people use it. WordPress is free and easy to use. That's why it's great for beginners. WordPress started in 2003. It was just for blogging. Now, it can make any website. You can make online stores, portfolios, and more. WordPress is always getting better. People work on it all the time to make it better. WordPress is very easy to use. You don't need to know code to use it. It's also very flexible. You can make any type of website with WordPress. And there's a large community of people who use WordPress. You can get help if you need it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips. And watch our other videos for more. WordPress is a great choice for virtual assistants. It is easy to learn. This means you can start making websites quickly. WordPress is also affordable. You don't need to spend a lot of money to get started. With WordPress, you can make different types of websites. You can create websites for clients or even for yourself. WordPress is also good for SEO. This means your website can be found easily on Google. WordPress is a valuable skill for virtual assistants. Many businesses need help with their websites, and many businesses use WordPress. By learning WordPress, you can offer valuable services to clients. There are two main types of WordPress, WordPress.com and WordPress.org. It's important to know the difference. This will help you choose the right one for you. WordPress.com is a hosted platform. This means that WordPress takes care of everything for you. You don't need to download any software or find a web host. You can create an account and start building your website right away. WordPress.org is a self-hosted platform. With WordPress.org, you need to download the WordPress software and install it on your own web server. This gives you more control over your website. You can customize it however you want. It also means you are responsible for your own security and backups. Setting up your WordPress website is easy. First, you need to choose a web hosting provider. There are many different providers out there. Once you've chosen a provider, you need to sign up for an account and choose a domain name. Your domain name is your website's address on the internet. After you've signed up for hosting, you need to install WordPress. Most web hosting providers have a one-click install option for WordPress. This makes it very easy to install WordPress on your server. Once WordPress is installed, you can log into your website's admin area. From here, you can start customizing your website and adding content. WordPress is a powerful tool that can help you build any type of website you want. Let's explore the WordPress dashboard. Think of it as your website's control center. It's where you manage everything, from adding new pages and blog posts to customizing your website's design. When you first log into your WordPress website, you'll land on the dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with various options. Each option represents a different aspect of your website. Let's go through some of the key sections. Posts is where you'll create and manage your blog posts. Think of them as the heart of your blog. Media is your website's library for images, videos, and other files. It's where you upload and organize all your media content. Pages is where you create standalone pages for your website, such as your homepage, About Us page, or Contact page. The Appearance section is your design hub. This is where you'll choose a theme to give your website a visual makeover. You can also customize your website's design further by adding your logo, changing colors, and more. Let's dive into the world of WordPress themes. Themes control the look and feel of your website. They dictate how your content is presented, the colors, fonts, and overall visual style. Think of them as pre-designed templates that you can easily apply to your website. The beauty of themes is that you don't need any coding knowledge to use them. WordPress makes it incredibly easy to switch between themes and find one that suits your style and needs. To explore the world of themes, go to Appearance. Themes in your WordPress dashboard. Here, you can browse through a vast collection of free themes available in the WordPress theme directory. You can filter themes by subject, features, and layout to find the perfect match for your website. Adding content to your WordPress website is a breeze. Whether you want to share your thoughts in a blog post, create informative pages, or showcase your products or services, WordPress makes it simple and intuitive. Let's start with blog posts. To create a new blog post, head over to Posts. Add new in your WordPress dashboard. You'll be greeted with a familiar editor that resembles a word processor. Give your blog post a catchy title and start pouring your thoughts into the content area. You can format your text, add headings, create lists, and embed images and videos to make your posts engaging and visually appealing. To create a new page, go to Pages.os. Add new. Pages are perfect for static content that you don't expect to update frequently, such as your About Us page, contact information, or service descriptions. Extending functionality with plugins. Plugins are like apps for your WordPress website. They add extra features and functionality, allowing you to do almost anything you can imagine. From creating contact forms and adding social media buttons to optimizing your website for search engines and boosting security. There's a plugin for almost every need. To explore the world of plugins, go to Plugins. Add new in your WordPress dashboard. You'll be greeted by the WordPress plugin directory, a treasure trove of thousands of free plugins. You can search for specific plugins using keywords or browse through popular categories like SEO, security, or forms. Once you've found a plugin that piques your interest, take some time to read its description, reviews, and ratings. This will give you a good understanding of its features and whether it's a good fit for your website. Essential WordPress plugins for virtual assistants. As a virtual assistant, you need your website to be a well-oiled machine, helping you work efficiently and impress your clients. Here are a few essential plugins that can supercharge your virtual assistant website. 1. Contact Form 7. Make it easy for potential clients to get in touch with you directly through your website. Contact Form 7 is a user-friendly plugin that lets you create customizable contact forms without any coding. 2. Yoast SEO. Climb the search engine ranks and attract more organic traffic with Yoast SEO. This powerful plugin guides you through optimizing your website's content, making it easier for search engines to understand and rank your pages. 3. Updraft Plus. Safeguard your website's valuable content with regular backups. Updraft Plus simplifies the backup process, allowing you to schedule automatic backups to cloud storage services like Dropbox or Google Drive. 4. WordFence Security. Protect your website from hackers and malicious attacks with WordFence Security. This robust security plugin acts as a firewall, scans for vulnerabilities, and blocks suspicious activity. WordPress Security Best Practices. Keeping your WordPress website secure is paramount, especially in today's digital landscape where threats are constantly evolving. By implementing some security best practices, you can significantly reduce the risk of your website being compromised. 1. Choose strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Your passwords are the first line of defense. Use strong, unique passwords for all your WordPress accounts, including your admin login, database, and FTP accounts. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. 2. Keep WordPress, themes, and plugins updated. Regularly updating your WordPress core, themes, and plugins is crucial for patching security vulnerabilities. Updates often include security fixes that address newly discovered weaknesses. 3. Limit login attempts. Brute force attacks, where hackers try to guess your password by attempting multiple logins, can be effectively mitigated by limiting login attempts. You can use plugins like Limit Login. Attempts reloaded to set a maximum number of login attempts before blocking the user's IP address. 4. Backup your website regularly. Regular backups are your safety net in case something goes wrong. Conclusion: WordPress, your gateway to online success. Congratulations on embarking on your WordPress journey. You've taken the first step towards unlocking a world of possibilities for your virtual assistant business. By mastering the basics of WordPress, you've gained the power to create a professional online presence, showcase your skills to potential clients, and streamline your business operations. WordPress is an incredibly versatile platform that can adapt to your evolving needs. As you become more comfortable with the basics, don't be afraid to explore new plugins, experiment with different themes, and push the boundaries of what's possible. The WordPress community is vast and welcoming, always ready to lend a helping hand if you encounter any roadblocks along the way. Embrace the journey of continuous learning and watch as your WordPress skills become a valuable asset in your virtual assistant career.